It's so beautiful up here in the mountains. A mama pika and her babies. They're so cute. A family living all the way up here in the rocks. This mountain is their home. Then we have to be really good guests.
Up on the mountain, tall and steep, where the rocky trails are fun to keep, there's a goat named Gary, sure and strong, who climbs the cliffs all day long. Climb, 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 one step at a time. Up on the mountain, tall and free. Bella the bear, so big and brown, lives in a cave up off the ground. She catches fish from mountain streams and sleeps peacefully in her dreams. Splash, 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 quick as a flash, up on the mountain, tall and free. Love our mountain friends so dear, we keep their home safe year after year. No dropping litter, no loud noise. We help the mountain with gentle joys, careful steps and quiet ways. That's how we love mountain days. Eddie the eagle soars so high, dancing with clouds across the sky. He sees the valleys down below and watches over all we know. Soar, 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 higher than before. Up on the mountain, tall and free. Penny the Pika, small and round, squeaks her hellos without a sound. She gathers flowers, pink and white, to keep her family warm at night. What? Who, what a hoot! Up on the mountain, tall and free. Ollie the owl with feathers gray watches the mountain night and day. He hoots from pine trees tall and green, the wisest friend you've ever seen. Hoo, hoo, hoo! What a hoot! Up on the mountain, tall and free. We love our mountain friends so dear, we keep their home safe year after year. When we visit this special place, we walk with care and gentle grace. Breathe the air so clean and bright. Mountain friends fill us with delight. Up on the mountain, tall and free, you're the best friend there could be. Joyous member, little mountain friend, the peaks and valleys never end. Keep them safe with love so true. The mountain will sing for you.
Look at that bear catching fish. She must be hungry after her long winter sleep. We just need to keep her mountain home wild so that she always has enough to eat. Then it's our job to protect it. That's right. We can all work together. To help the mountain animals keep their home wild and beautiful.